Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make stubborn pimple soap. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So firstly, you need glycerin-based soap which hydrates the skin. It prevents itchy skin. It reduces acne by removing excess oils from the skin to unclog pores. It reduces wrinkles, eczema, and loose skin. You need orange food coloring. It is completely optional. You can choose to use any other color of your choice. You can also make your soap without adding any food coloring. It doesn't add any special benefits to the soap. You need fresh lemon which lightens the skin. It treats acne, blackheads, it reduces excess oil, wrinkles, fine lines, and it boosts collagen formation. You need rose water which improves skin complexion. It reduces skin redness, dark spots, skin irritation, it soothes eczema and controls excess oil. You need rubbing alcohol to help take out bubbles from your soap before keeping it to dry. It is also used to clean and disinfect your working equipment. You need vitamin E oil which moisturizes the skin. It reduces scars, fine lines, wrinkles, eczema, and itchy skin. You need tea tree essential oil which prevents and reduces acne. It calms redness, eczema, itchy skin, and it helps in getting rid of pimples. You need lemon oil which brightens the skin. It prevents premature aging. It reduces acne, scars, pimples, and excess skin oiliness. So firstly, I'll double boil the glycerin based soap to melt. While it's melting, I'll dissolve the orange food coloring with 1 tablespoon of rose water. Next, I'm squeezing the fresh lemon juice into the mixture. I'm squeezing about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into the mixture. Now the glycerin based soap is completely melted, so I'm adding the lemon mixture into it. I'm now putting 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of lemon oil. I'm putting about 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, then I'm mixing. I'm now spraying my rubbing alcohol to take out the bubbles, then I'll keep it in a cool place to dry naturally. So guys, the soap is completely dried. To use it, you rub it on the areas you have the pimples and leave it for about 5 minutes before rinsing it out. This soap helps to dry up stubborn pimples, it unifies the face, it fades acne, and it lightens the face. It is super effective and affordable. You can try it out and drop comments on how best it worked for you. This is all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do this, for you to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when I upload any video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.